Okay, today on the workbench we've got this 3D printed robot that was sold by Robot Island, I think around 2017 or 18, somewhere in there. No, it wasn't made by me. This particular one is 3D printed, the green part in glow in the part dark green, and it was sent to me. The right foot was off, the right leg linkages is a pin walker was out. The antenna part was off. Seems like there was something else. In any rate, it's using an N20 12-volt motor, so they're running it on a 9-volt battery. And here you can see the 3D printed gears. This little clip is supposed to secure this rubber tube to a metal shaft off that gear, which goes to another clip up in there, goes to a metal shaft to the antenna. And of course, those are 3D printed clips, and they were printed in the wrong orientation, so they're split, so they're not doing anything. So I have tried to secure those with a little bit of super glue. Whether it'll stick to the rubber or the steel, I don't know. We'll find out. On the switch, it's got this knob on the back, which interfaces with a push on, push off, a latching switch. So it can be kind of confusing if the operator didn't know that you turn the thing once and it clicks and it's actually on, and you turn it back and it keeps running. You go, oh no, the switch is broken. Well, if that happens, you turn it and click it one more time to click on, click off. If you happen to have not turned it far enough for it to latch, yeah, then it'll turn off when you turn it there. At any rate, if it doesn't turn off, just move it on and off one more time and it will, because it is a latching switch. Now originally, this is a new 9-volt battery clip that I put on that's longer, so it can sit down here in the bottom. Here's the one that was with it, that glued right there, which meant when the 9-volt battery sat in there, this clip and these wires sticking out the back and all of that jammed right into these gears. It made it really hard to put the clip on because it wasn't long enough to clip the battery out here and then put it in, and it also made it really hard to stuff it all in there and not have the wires get caught up in the gears. So I extended the wires and moved it so when the battery goes in, it's still difficult to put in and out, but not as bad. There's plenty of room for the wires along the side there. They have a magnetic door which sits on there like so. And then when you turn it on, you get your pin walking action with moving arms and spinning radar. Now let's see if it turns off with one click or if I have to double click it. Yep. Yep, so latch on, latch off. So if you happen to have one of these, keep that in mind. Let's see, this one was number, looks like a 02 to me. So this might have been number 2 that was built back in the day. At any rate, just one more interesting repair that I thought some of you might enjoy taking a look at and seeing what other people have done in years gone by.